Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up call waiting on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the phone icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down and select Supplementary Services. Here you can see call waiting. On my phone it is stuck on and I can't turn it off. But just tap the toggle to the right of call waiting to turn it on or off. When the toggle is green, call waiting is turned on, and when it is white, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.